If you are in the corrugated box packaging industry and you have a Gopfert die cutter, or you're considering installing one, you need to know that this die cutter operation creates unique dust extraction and intake filtration challenges. Left unaddressed, these challenges can create big problems, including substandard print quality, issues with sheet registration, and safety hazards in your facility. What can you do? GF Puhl has the answer. The GF Puhl engineering team has developed a state-of-the-art dust extraction and filtration system for Gopfert die cutters that solves these common problems. Better print quality, tighter sheet registration, and better housekeeping are all within reach with the GF Puhl clean air intake system. GF Puhl has installed these systems on Gopfert die cutters with great success. How do these systems work? Let's take a look. Let's start with the blowers. There's a lot to a blower, things that most people miss. One of the first things you want to have is a clamshell type blower. If this kind of blower breaks down, you can service it easily. These blowers are typically mounted near the ceiling. This setup allows you to grease the blower from the floor. Greasing a blower from the floor is a nice convenience to have. It keeps your maintenance staff from having to climb up on top of the die cutter's containment area, which is really not made to walk on. All GF Puhl blowers include variable frequency drives and pressure transducers. This combination allows Gopfert or your maintenance techs and operators to set the pressure at each blower to maintain real-time balancing of pressure for sheet positioning. All GF Puhl hoods meet Gopfert spec. They have air gaps, which keeps the filtration system from interfering with sheet register. Depending on your local authorities, the above-roof exhaust can be filtered or not filtered. In Europe, filtering is often required. In the United States, unfiltered systems are common, especially when the dust is organic and the dust load is light. The fresh air intake system is sizable, typically a 75 horse blower. The fresh air intake is on a frequency drive so you don't overpressurize the containment area of the machine. The pressure transducer controls allow the blower to compensate in real time as the filters accumulate dust and airflow resistance increases. GF Puhl mounts the blower on a stand to minimize the footprint. Generally, Gopfert spec for the CFM of air going into the containment is between 10 and 20% over the total exhaust. The system is positively pressurized, which keeps the dust from other sources, such as other die cutters in the room and forklift tires, out of the Gopfert die cutter. The filtered fresh air intake system includes both pre-filters and primary filters that work together to extend filter life. The air intake system is mounted on a stand that is typically 7 feet wide and 14 feet deep. The stand is open on one side, which makes it easy to store extra filters, parts, or other materials below. This design gives you a great space-saving option. Maintaining sheet control during the dust extraction process requires real-time pressure balance on all of the blowers that pull air out of the containment. This makes it possible for your sheets to maintain the positioning required for registration. Every GF Puhl dust and air extraction system comes with touchscreen controls that give you the ability to see the pressure and speed of each blower and make adjustments as needed. As the filter ages, resistance increases as more dust is collected. With the GF Puhl dust and air extraction system, pressure transducers maintain the pressure at a set level, which gives you the consistency you need to get the results you want. Consistently clean and pressurized air in, quality products out. That's the power of a GF Puhl dust and air extraction system. If you want to get the most from your Gopfert die cutter, consider adding a GF Puhl dust and air extraction system to your production process. You'll be glad you did. Call GF Puhl today to get started.